In this lesson, we are going to read through the cleaning up and closing topic in the template food control plan. This is one of the purple-colored cards in the closing section of the plan and is page number 102. Note that this topic is one that your verifier will check every time. What do you need to know? Bugs will grow on dirty surfaces and equipment, for example, extraction fans, door handles, brooms and so on, and could be transferred to your food, making your customers sick. Cleaning and sanitizing are different. You cannot sanitize unless you have cleaned first. Cleaning removes dirt, grease and most bugs from surfaces. Sanitizing kills harmful bugs left on clean surfaces. Removing rubbish reduces the risk of people's clothing becoming contaminated, your food becoming contaminated and attracting pests. You and your staff need to use clean water for cleaning. Food contact surfaces and equipment need to be cleaned every day that they are used. If food contact surfaces are not used for a few days or from season to season, they should be cleaned before they are used again to remove dust and dirt that has settled in between use. Using disposable cleaning cloths or washing cleaning cloths after each use is recommended. You and your staff need to make sure your food is still safe and suitable at the end of the day. Anything that is not, will need to be appropriately dealt with. Why is cleaning and sanitizing important? Dirt and bugs could be transferred to food through dirty food surfaces. It is therefore important that these are kept clean. Cleaning does not remove all bugs, so you will need to sanitize food surfaces to kill any bugs that are left behind after cleaning. Sanitizers do not work properly on unclean surfaces, so you need to clean before sanitizing. Dirty premises can attract pests like mice, rats and cockroaches which can spread disease. What do you need to do? Check your food at the end of the day. Throw out any stock that has reached its use-by date. For any food that has been kept hot on display, follow the Keeping Food Hot card. Throw out any food or ingredients that have been contaminated. Throw out any leftover marinades or coatings. Throw out any leftover brining or pickling solutions. Throw out any food which has come into contact with unclean water. All remaining food which is safe to be used later must be labeled and stored properly. For example, cold food is in the fridge. Food is protected from contamination such as in containers. Cleaning up your food preparation area. Dirt and bugs could be transferred to food through dirty food surfaces. It is therefore important that these are kept clean. Empty bins and remove rubbish from processing areas at the end of the day and when full. Dispose of rubbish regularly. Clean bins and rubbish area regularly. You and your staff must clean and sanitize all surfaces that come into contact with food. You and your staff must use hot soapy water or suitable cleaning chemicals such as food grade. Always follow the manufacturer instructions when using chemicals. You and your staff must use clean water for cleaning your food preparation areas and equipment, and for rinsing off hot soapy water and cleaning chemicals. Sort and or wash dirty laundry, if you choose to supply your staff with clean clothing. What do you need to show? Show your verifier, your end-of-day routines including stock control. Show your cleaning procedures and how you know surfaces and equipment have been cleaned and sanitized. Show how you and your staff remove waste. Show how you and your staff clean your bins and rubbish area, and who is responsible. Your verifier will need to see that your premises and equipment is clean and that laundry is being done when necessary. Show how you and your staff clean and sanitize your food preparation areas and equipment, and how you and your staff use chemicals safely.